Hey everybody, CJ here with muuxBRD, and today I want to share with you some new pyro paraphernalia that you Cobra guys are going to like. You probably recognize the stuff I have here in front of me, so that's not what's new today. What I want to talk about is the fact that inevitably your Cobra firing gear is going to get wet, dirty, or both. And what I want to show you today will help protect some of your muuxBRD slats. So let's clear off some space and get started. 18Q standard slat. So what's new? muuxBRD will now be offering a 3D printed mounting base. You can use the supplied hardware to attach the mounting base using the 4 existing mounting holes. These screws I'm installing, it's worth mentioning that they're stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about them corroding or getting rusty in the field. If you're looking for more ways to mount your slats, this is going to be a great option. But if you want better protection, a full enclosure might be a better fit. This 2-piece enclosure uses the same hardware and mounting holes, but it gives your slat some additional protection. Your slat's going to be ready to mount to a rack or toss it in your toolbox till your next show. Some of you guys are probably saying to yourself, but what about the series slats? Don't worry, I have some 3D printed options for the 18Q series slats as well. Let's install one so you can see. muuxBRD 3D printed bases, covers, and enclosures are all printed using PETG or PETG. This is not the typical material used in most 3D printing projects that you've probably seen. PETG has several advantages that makes it more suitable for use by us pyros. Let's take a look at this series slat in the mounting base. Much like the standard slat, this has added rigidity and protection, as well as isolation from electrical connections on the back. Those of you that shoot from metal trailers might use these to prevent short circuits. Let's take a look at the full enclosure as well. PETG is a high temperature, moisture, and UV resistant material that's going to serve you well to protect and mount your gear on the shoot site. If you're a 3D printing guru, you're probably thinking, wait, PETG and moisture do not mix. Well, you'd be right, before printing. If PETG is exposed to humidity or moisture, it's a nightmare to print with. But after printing, PETG will hold up in humid, wet climates pretty well. As you can see, this full enclosure gives your 18Q series slats the same mounting options and protection as the standard slat. The cover's attached with a low deflection snap fit on the cover and small detents in the base for durability. You can see it has openings for all the needed wiring, and I can promise you can't miss these in the dark with the bright high-vis yellow color. I hope you think that these mounting bases and enclosures are a good addition to the lineup. If you like this video, look down below and give it a thumbs up. If you want more info or you want to place an order, head over to muuxBRD.com. Don't be afraid to use the share button. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button to get the latest from muuxBRD products, firing system info, and tips and tricks for using Quick Connect e-matches.